All right, guys, we're so excited. We're having a big Supercross party at my house right now. Thankful for all these guys to come over. The big reason for this party is Jared Fortner. Supercross is cool and all, but we just rebuilt Jared's bike. He has no idea. I'm terrified how he's walking around. He wanted to come out and help us. I'm like, no, stay inside. Oh, so is that...
It's McCoy.
Okay. Oh, thank you. So anyway, he told me to order him some parts this week, and we're like, nope, I'll get him coming, and he has no idea. So I have all of his used parts for him as full bike rebuild in this box. So we're gonna go inside right now, have him open this box. It's gonna be a bunch of used stuff, and then we're gonna pull out his bike that's in this trailer right here. So we're gonna go inside, get all the kids to calm down a little bit, so we can make some noise ourselves. So, you guys excited?
Oh, yeah.
I'm so pumped.
Wait.
I'm so pumped. All week I've been wanting to do this. So,
Nice.
all right, let's get the garage cleaned up. All right, so Danny just brought the box inside. We got most of the kids in the other room. Let's get on the table. I'll go grab Jared. So I'll meet you. Where's Mark? We need Mark too.
I think he's up there too.
No talking.
Should have taped it shut.
No, we're good. I got 2 times outside. Where's this one? Right here. Hey, so we ordered you some beta parts on Monday.
Yep.
I'll have the box and check them out. Well, I just thought, it'd be like important to get your bike ready for the season.
Gonna jump out?
I'm gonna jump out.
No way. This is all no.
What is all this, Danny?
This all the used part of that right box.
Oh, that's the wrong box.
What is all this stuff?
That's all the stuff off my bike.
Is this your bike? There's no way this came out. Mark, where did this come from? I don't know.
Or did this come
Why is
off?
this so cool? I don't know what these parts do.
This is brand new. Well, it looks. This looks
This,
like a.
this one was brand new.
It looks like that. This is definitely off.
This used to be brand new. This all used to be.
No way.
This all used to be.
Yeah. It was brand new.
It all looks like it used to be brand new.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Huh. Let me grab something.
You want me to come with you, or am I staying here?
No, you're right there.
He has a thing shot.
That must be new.
That's definitely not. That is so far from being new. That looks new. That looks brand new. Wow. Dude, that is so awesome. Thank you, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah. So,
Dude, ready to rock.
new chain guard, went through everything, grease everything. Yep, did the fast way, new crank, new piston, new bearings, new skid plate, new plastics, new frame guards, new RX number plate.
Yeah.
Oh, brand new bibs in the tires.
Really? Dude.
And Mark, we did the big new thumb up. Big hard enduro tire on there for you,
Oh
buddy.
my gosh. Dude, thank you.
It's been so hard for you all.
Dude, you're supposed to race in 2 weeks. You kept telling me, we'll get to it next week. And I'm like, I'm gonna have like a week to work on this.
It took so long because like we had to come on in, right? So we had to like send the cylinder out to get that replated. That took a month.
Wow.
And so like I've been putting him off. I told him his bike was buried in the back of the
And
barn.
I called you, because I wanted to start working on it 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, and you were like, oh, it's buried. I was like, oh, crap.
Yeah.
No way.
So yeah, this is all Jared's old parts that came out of it, and we rebuilt it for him. So
Yeah, that's awesome.
just thankful for all that you do for the channel. So just love supporting friends. So I'm super pumped. Mark and Deanie, everybody. So Mark and Deanie came up one night, stripped the whole bike down.
Wow.
Then the next night, a couple nights later, Danny came up only, and then Mark came up only. My dad and my uncle rebuilt the bike.
Thank you, guys.
Mr. Bill painted your whole frame up for you. Oh, we repainted the whole frame. Yeah, come on and check out this frame.
Wow. It looks so good.
Yeah,
This
dude.
is one of those soft
Yeah,
bibs.
dude, are you kidding
Yeah, we
me?
did the new 140 bib in this thing. So
Gosh.
I don't know. I'm just excited for a fun summer. So
So excited.
we have a race in a couple of weeks. So. I was excited for Supercross, but that was not the point of the party. I was so excited to do that. So.
Dude, I love it. Thank you so much.
No,
that's such a big part, dude. That's so cool. Yeah, I thought I was gonna have to be scrambling like next week, and you're like, oh, I want to do it next. I'm like, okay,
Yeah, 8 works races in less than 2 weeks
2
away.
weeks. I know, and I was like, this party tonight. I was like, tomorrow I'm getting my bike and I'm working on it for like the whole week. I can't believe it.
I'm gonna give you a different rim to run this weekend if you're gonna do the A-Works, because this is gonna be just hard enduro only.
Yeah, this will be for the end of the month in South Carolina. Dude, I can't believe you guys did that. That's so awesome. Dude, Jared, thank you
No
so
problem,
much.
dude. TK's did the suspension for us too. I rescued him on the side of the snowmobile trail. He's like, hey, I need help, and I'm like, I need help. I was like, I'll get you off the trail today if you can help me out. So
Freaking sweet.
we'll let the bike warm up for a while, and we'll dump some gas in it, and we'll go outside. And
Heck yeah. I
I wanted to start it right away, but I want it to warm up for a while.
Yeah.
So it's been in my trailer. It's pretty cold outside. Your coolant hose is actually split underneath here.
Was it really?
Yeah, it's got like a little chink in it. Yeah.
Really? So I wouldn't have made it very long.
We weren't gonna peel the wrap, and then we peeled the wrap at the last second.
What? Something that was.
Yeah, dude.
No way.
I mean, it's not all the way through, but it's not good.
That would have let go
Dude,
the next
I
time
know.
it got hot for sure.
It had so much wrap on it, you never saw it. You know.
Yeah.
I must wonder if a stick like, I don't know.
Or when it got absolutely cartwheeled at Little Hively down like 400 feet of ravine.
Absolutely.
Dude, I'm so pumped.
Dude,
I cannot wait to ride the race with you guys. It's going to be so good. I love
These are the soft balls. They're not here.
Yeah,
give it like a show the video. Yeah, so it's a little bit tough for these long threes. Oh gosh, from here in the film it looked like it was in.
Didn't make it.
Good thing you guys are dirt bikers.
Yeah, that's right.
It is. Those balls are like the soft foam.
From the grate.
There you go.
Oh, that's a three. That's a legit three right there. Oh. That was closer than not, Deanie. Oh boy.
This is about 3.5 yards.
3.5 yards right here.
Got the one.
Oh, look at that obstacle now.
That's gonna make it tough.
No way. Oh.
Oh, jumped it.
I thought it was going in. Got a little bit of a speed bump now. Is that in the sand? I love how it comes back out of you.
How long does the brand new bike last?
Brand new bike. It's 11 o'clock. Just watched Supercross. Just wrapped up. All the cars are getting warmed up.
Brand new bike, we're going to rev bomb it.
So honestly, we've never started it. We're just so excited to get it done in time. Light is like yellow. It shouldn't be. It's like super bright. Give her some two-stroke. Yeah, the gas can was getting expanded inside. I was gonna put a new tank on it, but you usually run the big tank too, though.
Yeah, I've been swapping back and forth.
So I was like, eh,
Hard enduros, I run this tank, and then
that's probably enough to get it to start. It's like 20 some degrees out here.
for the hair scrambles, I'll put my 3-gallon quick dry tank on.
It's like definitely colder than it was earlier.
Yeah. All right, let's pull the choke on this bad boy. All right, I always like kicking new motors for some reason. So I'm like, I don't know if you guys just to see.
Just to turn it over.
Oh, the compression.
No. Oh, wow. And they had no gas in it, so it went through that. Dude, oh my goodness. It does sound good too.
That sounds really good.
I'm shivering so bad the camera's like, I'm shivering so bad the camera's gonna be like.
I wish we didn't have snow. Go ride tomorrow.
Why? Why is it gotta be snowy? No, not with that tire. Not with that tire.
$200 tire.
Actually, idling pretty good for his.
Considering how cold it is.
I know, I'm like so cold. Well, she runs, dude.
Yeah, it runs. We're ready. It works in 2 weeks.
I know, dude. I'm so pumped.
Do you want to give it the new bike rev, Jared? You're the one that's good at this.
Nope. Dude, high five.
Dude, heck yeah, Jared.
Happy for you, buddy. Well, do you want to leave it here or do you want to take it?
I have that bouncy.
That's
castle,
right.
So I can't fit it where I would.
It's all good. Put it right back inside. Oh, heck yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride. That's Jared's new bike. Was it 2024 season?
Yep.
About to crush it.
About to be awesome.